He's willing to pay me $100 if I touch the sales guy's butt. I don't know. So Jeff wanted me to give you some. Oh, hey! I didn't see you come in. Which is scary because you could have murdered me. Anyways, I guess we gotta get started, huh? What the heck is happening here? Guys, it's raining again, man. What happened? At least it's kind of cold. But anyway, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the EVS vlog. Dude, it's so windy. We gotta go back inside. It's just too windy. I can't finish out here. I can't do it. Crazy out there. Look at that. Oh, you can't see. Like, look at that. Look at those trees. They're going crazy. Well, maybe not that crazy. Maybe I'm just being dramatic. Whatever. Guys, if you haven't... There's clients here. I gotta be quiet. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Join the EVS crew. Shh. Like, rate, comment, share. Hit the notification bell. Just goes ding dong, because you know it's a bell, so it should go ding dong. But yeah, let's get started, okay?
Hello, very nice, great success.
But we are now Clearbra the entire AMG GT63 and Satin Guard. We're getting it ready, guys. Ooh, so all this gloss paint that you see is about to go away. Well, not right away. It's gonna take a while. It's a lot, so we're just gonna work on it. Okay. It has started. It has started. Look at that. The door already has Satin Guard, and we're just laying it down. But as you can tell, look at the difference already. What do you think, Dustin?
I think it's gonna look super Batman stealth. Like that's what it's gonna look like. Like this whole car, window trims, door handles, rear bumper, bottom side skirts are gonna be done before lunch.
So did you work things out with Raul yet?
I grabbed something.
Look behind. Oh.
Killing it.
Guys, that's detail right there. Most people just kind of, what do most people normally do in the back? They just
honestly, what most people will do is they'll have the corners showing chrome, and their cuts won't complete. If you go even under with the camera, you will even see that the cuts are like, it's really completely tucked.
Oh yeah.
What they usually do is they don't.
It is tucked. You can't see it chrome even from down here. So we're doing something a little different today. Unfortunately, my GTR does not equate to an adequate showroom car. Dude, stop grabbing my ass. We're gonna be buying a new car today. I'm gonna show you what it is and talk more about it when the time comes when we actually go get it. But for now, there's something that I must do. Our client asked me to do something a little peculiar. He's willing to pay me $100 if I touch the sales guy's butt. Right. You heard me. That's right. If I were to touch his butt, if I were to grab his butt, grab it behind, he will pay me $100. Now, first of all, before we go anywhere with this, I'm not the guy who should just get all excited about this, but when there's $100 in the mix, I'm kind of like, man, you know, I kind of need the money, dawg. I mean, like, I keep wearing the same shirts every day. That'd be nice. The money'd be good, you know. Maybe I could like hire an editor with $100, or maybe hire a videographer or something, you know. I don't know. But at the same time, your boy ain't trying to catch the Me Too movement. Should I do it? I think I should. I think I want to. Just because, you know, just to say like, yeah, you know, I did it. That's weird. I would never want to flex about that. That's just strange. I don't know. We'll see. You'll see if I do it or not when we get there. All right, Tyler, are you ready to do this, man? It's hot back here.
B-roll time.
Why are you going so slow, dude?
Sorry.
Don't you have like Something to make this go by faster?
Out back here. No, we're getting the Hummer back here.
But if you want to leave.
Alright guys, I made it to, can you see it? I don't even see it. I made it to River Oaks Chrysler Jeep. We're gonna get the other stuff out.
I'll grab the other one. Guys, I'll come grab you in a second.
Alright Dave, so where's the car at?
We got it parked over here in the front.
Okay,
Let's go take a look.
Let's take a look. Is that it right there?
That's it.
Oh, hey, I'm so excited. Did Jeff tell you what we're doing with this?
Absolutely. I can't wait to see it. This is a 2020 Wrangler Sport S.
Awesome. Oh, by the way, so, I don't know. So Jeff wanted me to give you something. He wants to say that he loves you.
I love you too, Jeff.
Well, I will take it.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
There, hop in and I'll drive us to the back.
Okay, cool.
Now I can show you how it works.
Oh.
We sell more Jeep Wranglers than anybody in Texas.
Oh. Yo, that is old school. That's cool though. Oh man, bed linered up. These are 40s, right? Are these 40s? What are these? These are 40s? These are, yep, these are 40s. Oh, King shocks. You got a King shock. Cement built armor. Oh man, the whole thing's bed liner. I love it. That's so cool. Oh my god, guys, look at this one. I am in Jeep heaven, bro. This one looks like my Jeep when I had it. It was black with the red accents too. One day. Casey Neistat's grab. I know what you're thinking. You're like, Haywood, let's be real, dog. Let's be real. How are you gonna put a McLaren in the showroom, and then a Shelby GT500, and then a Porsche GT3 RS, and then put a stock Sport Wrangler in there? What are you doing? We're not just lifting it. We're not just putting tires on it, armor and all that. We're not just doing that. We have 500 steps up above that. I'll tell you more about once we get inside the Jeep, but guys, you're gonna want to stick around for this. Ooh. Guys, if you need a Jeep, hit up David Wells. He's so cool. He'll take care of you guys. Thank you, David.
No,
Appreciate
man,
it.
my pleasure, brother.
Appreciate
Have
it.
fun with the build.
Sounds good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the gauges. Oh, come on. Focus, mother. Focus for me. Okay, good enough. Look at the gauges, guys. Oh. Yo, this is really small. I guess they're changing this out. I'm freaking out over this car for many reasons, guys. One of them is being the fact that I love Jeeps. I love boxy cars. I love G-Wagons. I love Defenders. I love Wranglers. I love boxy cars. So I had a Jeep Wrangler before. I'll post pictures now in case you want to see it. So I love Jeeps, and I've always wanted to get into a JL and see what this is like, and now that I'm driving it, oh, it feels like home, but better. Dude, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it, bro. I know you don't care for Jeeps, bro, but like...
No, I like Jeeps. I appreciate
No, you see, exactly. You like Jeeps. I love Jeeps, bro. I love Jeeps.
Yeah, because you have them.
No sh**. That's why I love them. I have. He's saying I do rental wraps. Yeah, exactly. That's why you're doing it.
You know why I don't like Jeeps?
Because of the engine?
What the fuck is that?
I know it's not the greatest thing, but it's not about that, dude.
No, it's always about that.
No, it's not.
always about that.
It's not about that, dude.
Do they know what we're doing to this?
Who's they?
They.
Oh, we haven't told you. Okay, this is perfect. This is what we're doing to this Jeep. Okay, we're not just lifting it. We're not just putting tires on it. We are doing a Rezvani Tank build. That's right, guys. We are doing. I'll post pictures right now so you see what I'm talking about. Yo, so this is a complete build. It's gonna be transported to Rezvani. They're gonna be helping us with the whole conversion. So this whole thing's gonna look completely different. It's gonna be bulletproof, guys. Bulletproof.
What kind of bullets?
I don't know what kind of bullets. I assume handguns. Maybe like
AK-15s and AR-47s.
Yeah, exactly, like those.
Hey, do you know what engine's gonna be put in it?
Yes, a 5.0 Hemi.
No.
6.4.
6.4 Hemi.
500 horse.
500 horsepower, guys. It's gonna be ridiculous. So it looks stock now. I know it's still pretty cool, at least for me it is, but it's gonna be way better once we're done with it, guys. So we'll keep you up to date, but it's gonna be a long process. I'll have updates whenever we can, but for now we're just taking it in and we're just getting prepped for transportation. Can you not do that, bro?
I'm putting it back in a better way. It wasn't on right, so I'm putting it on better.
What do you think of it? Does it look cool? Do you like it?
No.
No one loves Jeeps like the way I love Jeeps, man. I don't know. Maybe it's more nostalgia for me.
I mean, think about, like, it would be the same if like a 300 SRT came here. You just be like, no, this car's lame, and I'd just be like, bro.
It's different though, because the SRT is more. It's not a Colt vehicle like the
Yeah,
Jeep
it is.
Wrangler. You guys wave at each other? No.
No, because you never see more than one.
Exactly. No one wants them. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Normally I would end the vlog out there, but because I love this Jeep so much, I'm gonna end it in here, guys. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew, and also if you have a Jeep and you want to make it into a Rezvani Tank, hit us up. We are now the exclusive Rezvani dealer for all of Texas. Also, if you want us to work on your car, we would love to do that. Hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you need. Let us know you're part of the EVS crew. We'll take care of you. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.